Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to give someone access to your Google Drive link. So if you want to give someone access to a file on a Google Drive, like a PDF, image, or Google Doc, video, photo, or anything, we'll show you how to give them either viewing or editing access. For me, it's a video. Now click on the three dots next to it, and here select Share. Click on Share, and a small menu will open. To share it with a specific person, you can go ahead and type their email address over here, type a message, and then tap on send. You can also set them as an editor, commenter, or viewer according to you. Then select send. To share it with multiple people, you can do it via link. So click on share, and here select copy link from the bottom, and make sure that the general access is set to anyone with the link. And you can also set it as a viewer, commenter, or editor according to your preference. Then after, select done and paste the link wherever you want to share it to. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.